Halina kayo, kain tayo ng salad. Kain tayo ng salad. Salad kayo dyan. I have lettuce, cucumber, avocado, cherry tomatoes, and mozzarella cheese with balsamic vinaigrette. Halina kayo, kain tayo with David's favorite smoked milkfish from Philippines. Crispy smoked milkfish. Yon ang paborito nila dito sa bahay na fish. From the Philippines. Halina kayo, kain tayo ng baby smoked milkfish. Kain na tayo.